Have you ever wanted to turn your ideas into custom stickers for fun, small business, or promotion? In this quick 2025 Canva guide, I'll show you exactly how to design your own stickers in just a few minutes. No experience needed. Let's get started. Open your browser and head to Canva's official website. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. It's free and only takes a moment to set up. Once you're in, look for the Create a Design button on the homepage. This is where all the magic starts. Click it and you'll see tons of format options. For stickers, type sticker in the search bar or look for sticker circle. This template is sized perfectly and gives you that clean rounded shape right out of the gate. Select it and Canva will open up the editing workspace. Now the fun part, designing. On the left panel, you'll find Canva's massive collection of graphics, illustrations, shapes, and icons. Browse until you find something you love, then just drag and drop it onto your canvas. You can move elements around, resize them, flip them, and rotate them with simple clicks. Want to make it feel personal? Customize everything. Click any element to change its colors. Add text with playful fonts or bold statements. Layer graphics to build depth and personality. Whether you're going minimalist or cute and colorful, this is your space to experiment. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save it. Head to the top right corner and click Download. For stickers, a high-quality PNG file is your best bet. It keeps the edges crisp and the colors bright. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've created a custom sticker design using Canva. You can make sets for planners, packaging, digital shops, gifts, or just for fun. The more you explore Canva's tools, the more unique ideas you'll come up with. If you enjoyed this quick start and want more Canva shortcuts and creative tips, stick around for future videos. Thanks for watching and happy designing.